How to turn on sleep mode on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, open up your Instagram application on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Then you can see the option of notifications over here. So just tap on notification, and then here on the top you can see the option of quiet mode. So just tap on quiet mode, and right now it's toggled off. So as a toggle on, you'll be able to select start time when you want to see the toggled on. So you can select the time over here, and then you can see the end time as well, where you don't want to see any sort of notifications or updates on Instagram. You can also choose the days over here by selecting on the days. So as of now, the quiet mode is on every day. So we're just going to go that, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.